Ladies and gentlemen, today we are delighted to launch two new models from the VivoBook series in India. I'm proud to present the new VivoBook S and the VivoBook Ultra K14. I would like to begin by introducing you to the vibrant, dynamic, and colorful VivoBook S S14. VivoBook S S14 is made special not just because of the sleek, thin, and light metal chassis, which wraps seamlessly around this machine, but more importantly, the four bold and vibrant colors for you to choose from to match your personal style. The VivoBook S has been designed keeping in mind the energetic, creative, modern, and bold use of today. This is a product meant for the students and professionals who dare to be different and are unafraid of expressing themselves. When we look at the overall build of this machine, we see that the VivoBook S S14 pushes all boundaries in the display segment. With a stunning three-sided nano-edge display, it packs an overall 85% of screen-to-body ratio, which allows extremely immersive experience when seeing your favorite TV shows. The ultra thin and light form factor perfectly resonates with an on-the-go, burdenless, free-living lifestyle. You see, with a weight of just 1.4 kilograms and a thickness of 15.9 millimeters, the VivoBook S can be carried with you anywhere and everywhere. Like I was telling you before, the VivoBook S S14 is high on design and comes in multiple colors options such as Indie Black, Dreaming White, Gaia Green, and the Resolute Red to match your own style. The sleek metallic chassis with diamond-cut edges give it an added premium feel, while the color blocked enter key in yellow gives it that special something and makes it stand out. The VivoBook S S14 comes with a set of unique and vibrant stickers to enable complete personalization, making it a bold fashion statement. Truly a machine designed for the trendy and bold use of today. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it is time to introduce you all to our newest VivoBook Ultra K14. The VivoBook Ultra K14 has been specially designed for the new age demanding customers who enjoy slash lifestyle and fast life tempo, pursue diversity and efficiency. The VivoBook Ultra, with its sleek and premium metallic chassis and an ultra thin and light form factor, is all about expression. Now, when we say VivoBook Ultra, what does Ultra means? VivoBook Ultra K14 shows its Ultra values in three ways. Ultra in performance to let you discover yourself. In terms of performance, the VivoBook Ultra K14 comes with a powerful CPU and high-speed DDR4 RAM. It boosts your performance to challenge the limits, to dream big and make it happen. A high-performance solid-state disk with a PCIe interface gives the VivoBook Ultra K14 the fastest storage available, allowing ultra-quick boot times and zero-weight app loading. Ultra in weight to let you free yourself. With the new VivoBook Ultra K14, enjoy a life free of burden. With a thin and light design, it is ultra portable and doesn't weigh you down. With only 1.4 kilograms and 17.9 millimeter thickness, it takes the burden off your shoulders. Ultra thin and light. Simply slip VivoBook Ultra K14 into your messenger bag or backpack, and away you go. Ultra in beauty to let you express yourself. The VivoBook Ultra symbolizes expression. It has a metal-lid design, enabling you to push boundaries. With these three main features, the VivoBook Ultra K14 is specially designed for the proactive, creative, and young audience. For the young generation, we would like to provide a new concept to them, but without any compromise in performance and user experience. VivoBook Ultra K14 has 3 exciting colors that tell the world who you are. The Hearty Gold is built for the new generation that's filled with a passion for discovery and for pushing the boundaries. The transparent silver resonates the enthusiasm of the youth's hopes and the dreams as they look forward towards the future. The Indie Black represents their uncompromising independence and leadership. The unique attitude, which is a combination of the ability to take charge of any situation and the daring to take on any challenges. But that's not all. The bold yellow enter key makes for an immediate impact. Just strike that key and get yourself out there. The VivoBook Ultra is under Microsoft Modern PC definition as ZenBook and the VivoBook SR. Let us dive a bit deeper into the modern PC concept. Modern PC is criteria defined by Microsoft as lightweight, sleek design, durability, and fast speed. It's a machine that helps and ensures you are able to work efficiently, whether for business or home use. So, there are 5 reasons to choose a modern PC. Thin, light, and sleek. Modern PCs are thinner and lighter because they have an SSD that are much thinner and lighter than traditional hard disk drives. Fast. Startups in modern PCs are up to 3 times faster, and apps open quicker and are more responsive, meaning you can have multiple programs open at once without issues. Efficient and durable. VivoBook Ultra with SSD is incredibly efficient and consumes less power, meaning you get more battery life. Modern PCs have less moving parts, which means less can go wrong with them. Secure. Modern PCs with Windows 10 offers built-in security, ongoing detection and protection from threats, and many other safety features. This makes modern PCs extremely secure. Last one, latest and greatest features. Loaded with the latest features, Wi-Fi 6, Type-C ports, fingerprint sensor for quick access, and backlit keyboard provide you with the best experience. In every way, from form factor to function and all the innovations in between. VivoBook Ultra under modern PCs category are packed with the power and ability to keep up with any of your demanding tasks and deadlines. To recap both VivoBook models here, VivoBook S S14 comes with latest Intel 10th-gen Core Lake processors with up to i7 CPU, MX250 NVIDIA discrete graphic card, 8GB high-speed DDR4 RAM, and 512 PCIe SSD with 1.4 kilograms with 15.9mm thin. Boosting your performance to challenge the limits, to dream big and make it happen. And the VivoBook Ultra K14 also comes with latest Intel 10th-gen Core Lake processor, up to i5 processor, 8GB DDR4 RAM, and 512 PCIe SSD with only 1.4 kilograms and 17.9mm thin, providing the power you need to get things done. Same as ZenBook and the VivoBook S, VivoBook Ultra also adopts the latest tech. With Wi-Fi 6 ecosystem, you will get 3 times the speed of Wi-Fi 5 and 75% lower latency, which means that your internet connection is not just faster, but far more stable compared to the older gen Wi-Fi 5. So, whether you are in your house, in a cafe, or in a crowded airport, your internet speed will not slow down. And now I know you are all waiting for the price reveal. So I would like to invite our country product head, Jason, to join us and end this anticipation.
Thanks to our country product manager, Sam, for giving us such wonderful and detailed product introduction. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's my great pleasure to have all of you be with us in this live stream. This is the moment we have all been waiting for. The world's slimmest 13-14-inch laptop with 4 I/O port and a 22 hours battery life, the ASUS ZenBook 13 and the ZenBook 14. Starting price is 79,990 rupees. And now, for the price of ASUS VivoBook S S14 and the VivoBook Ultra K14, the starting price of VivoBook S S14 is 68,990 rupees. And for the VivoBook Ultra K14, it's just at 38,990 rupees. I would now like to invite back our Regional Director, System Business Group, ASUS India and South Asia, Mr. Lee On Yu, for these closing comments.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. It has been an absolute pleasure to have you with us for this launch. Our relentless journey in search of incredible experiences should continue as we keep delighting you with our innovative products. Until next time, thank you and take care.